Alright, so here is my, like, helicopter plane thing. Kind of works. It's just got a lot of controls and I can't quite control it. Um, I can angle the front propellers forward, backward, angle all the rudders and flaps and whatnot. To make it lift off, I have to counteract the top propellers in the front. So I rotate them backwards as I spin the other ones forward. And then I have the ability to balance it left or right for the pitch, I believe it's called. And then as soon as I get it up here, it's gone from there. We'll give it another try or two. It gets pretty hectic really quick, and I just can't control it. Yeah, something like that. That's as far as I've gotten. I can get it to lift off and fly in directions, but anything past that is pretty much a failure.